ಓಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. how the KC General is ready for COVID setting?
From past 1 week, there was a series of meetings held with the Commissioner, Principal Secretary, Honorable Health Minister, and they have given a lot of directions to all general hospitals. In that regard, we have kept ready for everything. From past 4-5 days, probably a week back, the testing for COVID has already started, the RT-PCR, and we have already made the reservations, the beds in the isolation ward. We also made the ICU beds available for the COVID, and we will follow the guidelines given by our health department. Very soon we may receive directions how many beds to be kept ready for the isolation ward and how many beds to be for the ICU. And in that regard, we have kept enough stock of consumables, drugs, medications, and the human resource also it's there. And probably they will add on the human resource to run the isolation and ICU wards as per the directions given by the health minister and the department.
So present now, how many beds are ready?
That we can't say. They have generally make it ready. They have not given any instructions. Right now, because with our strength, we have kept almost 30 beds in the isolation ward. So if they want to increase, then we might increase depending upon the manpower.
So what about testing?
Testing is happening. From past 5-6 days, testing is happening in our facility. People are getting tested. So testing RT-PCR is happening, RAT is also happening.
So what is your advice to the people? The people are looking to panic about this.
There's nothing to panic. I don't know, JN.1 strain, it's nothing to panic. It's just like other viral disease or a flu where you have cold, cough, fever, body ache. All the prodromal symptoms are there. If you take care of yourself, and if you take the symptomatic medications after consulting a doctor, it should be fine. Only thing is you should avoid commuting in the public places, in the malls, train, wherever it is. You should avoid crowd, and strictly you should wear the mask, and you should strictly maintain the social distance, and you should take the medication as prescribed by a doctor. I think that should take care of everything.
So last question, other people are taking some own medication, so how badly it will be impacted?
No, because see, they don't know. They should stop that, the own medications. Whenever they have symptoms of cold, fever, body ache, headache, they should immediately consult a doctor nearby. All the doctors in our state have been well aware of the guidelines of the prodromal symptoms. When to suspect a patient to go for a COVID test. Definitely the doctors will advise a COVID test if the symptoms are found suspective of COVID. Then they have to follow the doctor medications. Please tell them to avoid self-medication, and please undergo the test as advised by doctor.
Thank you.